everyone, I'm Storm Team 9 meteorologist Holly Baker. Now I have a question for you. What falls in the winter but never gets hurt? Snow. You can almost guess what we're about to do. In this episode, we will be creating a snowstorm. The materials you will need are an empty jar, baby oil, Alka-Seltzer tablets, glitter, water, white paint, a cup, and a spoon. Now it's time for us to get started. The first step is to dump the baby oil into the jar. You are going to need quite a bit. The next step is to put the white paint and water in a cup and mix them together with a spoon. Take the mixture and carefully pour it in the jar full of baby oil. Sprinkle your glitter into the jar and then wait for it to settle at the bottom. The final step is to add your Alka-Seltzer tablet to the jar. Oh, look, it's a snowstorm. If you add more tablets, your snowstorm will then turn into a blizzard. Now that's quite a storm. I had so much fun creating a snowstorm with y'all, and I hope you had fun too. Now don't hesitate to email me pictures of you having fun being a scientist. My email is hbaker@WNCT.com.